Blini.
You can just see pancakes in almost every cuisine, but Russians are special. You break some eggs into this big bowl. She just added a little bit of salt, so the squeezed and a little bit of sugar for the flavor. After that, we add 250 milliliters of milk.
Okay. How is this like the Russian version different?
So the main difference of the Russian version is the condiments. What you add to these pancakes.
Right.
So we have many variations. So we often use condensed milk.
Okay.
So condensed milk is very popular in our cuisine, especially in desserts. We add a little bit of flour. She needs to just put it for 10 or 15 minutes.
All right.
So it can just say for the consistency.
All right, perfect. इसको rest दिया था अच्छे तरीके से जो batter है. Now what's next process?
Most interesting part just starts. So we turn on the heat and heat up for our pan to make a pancake.
All right.
Добавляем прям каплю, немного масла.
So we add just a little bit of oil.
Ждем, когда нагреется сковорода.
And wait just a little bit for the pan to heat up.
All right.
Я думаю, сковорода нагрелась, поэтому начинаем жарить.
So it seems that our pan is really hot, so we start to make it.
Самое главное распределить ровно.
So the most important part is to apply this mess very evenly through the pan.
Секрет в том, чтобы они должны быть тоненькими очень. Это очень вкусно.
Yeah, and the secret of Russian pancakes is that they are very thin as a paper.
Thin as a paper.
Thin as a paper.
I think that would be very hard for us to make.
Обращай внимание на края. Когда они начинают становиться коричневыми, это означает, что уже более-менее можно переворачивать.
You have to watch out for the edge of the pancake, because when it turns brown, it means that you can turn it around.
Помогаем, переворачиваем, да, помогаем себе руками, поправляем, чтобы было все красиво.
So we can, if there is a need to help with our hands, just put it evenly on the pan on the other side and wait for the other sides to become this lightly brown.
Надо быть аккуратным, чтобы не обжечься.
But you still need to be very careful not to burn yourself.
Yeah, definitely.
Blini, अज्जा, दूध 500 मिलीलीटर, अंडे 3 अदद, मैदा 190 ग्राम, कुकिंग ऑयल 30 ग्राम 2 खाने के चमचे, चीनी 15 ग्राम 1 खाने का चमचा, नमक 2 से 3 ग्राम आधा चाय का चमचा.